Today I'll talk about assignment problem. It is one of the operations research problem, and I will demonstrate the use of assignment problem in assigning lectures to teachers in a teaching institute. So the assignment problem is a special case of the transportation problem. It deals with assigning n origins to n destinations. Origins may be workers, for instance, and destinations may be job. So n workers and n jobs with the goal of determining the minimum cost assignment. Conditions or constraints are that each origin must be assigned to one and only one destination, and each destination must have assigned one and only one origin. So one job is assigned to one worker. So this is the data in matrix form. If these are the workers and these are the jobs, n is equal to m because the number of workers are equal to number of jobs, and these are the cost of assignment. So cost of assigning worker 1 to job 1 is C11 and so on. I have taken this from the transportation problem where there was concept of supply and demand, and this concept is not there in assignment problem. So decision variable of assignment problem is Xij, where Xij is 1 if job is assigned to if jth job is assigned to ith worker and 0 otherwise. So objective is to find the set of Xij at a minimum assignment cost. So it is a minimization problem. This is our objective function and these are constraints. Methods to solve assignment problem are enumeration method and Hungarian method. Hungarian method, we save the original matrix for cost calculations later. Then we start modifying the matrix. First we do row reduction, then column reduction, then we assign by rows, followed by assigning by columns. Check if all jobs are covered and check whether all conditions of assignment problem are covered. Then it is an optimal solution. If no, we need to modify the matrix further. This is an example I have taken of a teaching institute. So the problem is that an administrative head of a teaching institute has a problem of assigning subjects to 4 senior residents. These are the subjects, 4 subjects: hematology, histopathology, lab management, and statistics, and these are 4 SRs. After observing the SRs for few years, administrative head have the information about their ability to teach various subjects. And their evaluation revealed the following ratings. So SR1 can teach hematology with a rating of 60 and statistics with a rating of 70. And SR2 can teach hematology with a rating of 20 and statistics with a rating of 70. By observing these ratings, it seems that SR1 is versatile. So we need to assign each job to a single SR. Since this is a maximization problem because we need to arrive at a maximum rating on optimal solution, we can convert it into minimization problem by finding the highest value in table, and which was 70, and then subtracting each element from it. After subtracting each element from 70, we get a modified matrix, and now this has become a minimization problem. So I will illustrate how to solve the assignment problem using Python codes and PULP package. First, we uh, make data in this format. Then we set our problem. First, we define that it is assignment problem and it is a minimization type. This is our decision variable, assign variables xij. This is our objective function corresponding to this. This is first constraint corresponding to this. And this is second constraint corresponding to this. This is to print our results. And after executing the code, we get the results. So SR1 should be assigned to teach hematology, SR2 should be assigned to teach histopathology, and SR3 should be assigned statistics, and SR4 should be assigned to teach lab management. And to calculate the maximum rating, we can add up the ratings from original cost matrix or rating matrix in our case. So on adding up, we get a maximum rating of 210. So this is the optimal solution. Thank you very much.